How to tag someone on Facebook photo. First of all, open the Facebook. You can tag someone on already uploaded photo, or you can also upload new photo. I'm just going to upload the new photo over here. Tap on this option for what's on your mind that you can see at top. Now you'll be able to create the post. Tap on the option photo or video. Once you do that, tap on the photo that you would like to upload. Now after you do that, you can adjust other settings like you usually do while creating the post. If you want to tag someone, tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see your friends over here. You can search for your friends if you want. After you do that, check on the friend that you would like to tag. You can simply go back. Tap on the option next that you can see at top. You can see the post settings over here. Adjust the post settings according to your preference. Tap on the option share that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here the post has been created. The photo has been tagged to that particular person. Like this, you'll be able to tag someone on Facebook photo. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.